AIS procures used construction equipment from around the world for reconditioning at our reconditioning center in Lansing, Michigan. All equipment is performance tested on the testing grounds, seeing how the machine performs in a real working environment. AIS technicians then do a full inspection before recommending repairs to meet AIS equipment standards. All equipment starts off with a thorough wash, making sure it is free of any debris, dirt, and grease. Oil filters are removed and inspected to better understand what is going on inside the machine. All engines will undergo necessary repairs and maintenance, ensuring proper functionality and peace of mind when operating. Next, electrical systems are checked, and all other components are either repaired or replaced. This includes structural components, drivetrain systems, and any other moving part. Equipment is then pronounced A, B, or C certified. Machines then make a stop in our on-site sandblasting booth, where all unwanted paint and rust is removed. Our techs then sand and prep all of the panels, ensuring a sharp and flawless finish when applied. What is left is an even, durable finish made to last. The final step is printing, cutting, and applying decals, giving equipment that final touch of branding. All equipment receives a final inspection to ensure all repairs were performed correctly and the machine is ready to go to work. Machines then receive an AIS certified sticker and complete documentation of repairs and level of certification. So when you arrive at the sales lot, you can have the confidence of knowing that you are buying an AIS certified reconditioned machine.